Hello and welcome to a new series of Skill Fusion Academy. In this series, we will learn different tips and tricks to host and manage a Spring Boot application. So what is Spring Boot? Spring Boot is an open source framework for building Java applications. It streamlines development by providing pre-configured templates and simplifies the setup of the web, microservice, and other projects. It promotes rapid development with minimal configuration. So there are lots of tutorials already in Spring Boot. So how this series is going to be helpful to you? This series will focus on the cloud part of the Spring Boot application. So you can build a Spring Boot application and run it locally, but you also need to know how to deploy your application in online so that you can showcase your application to others. So I'll focus on how to deploy the application with free of cost in the cloud, mostly in three major cloud, which is AWS, Azure, and GCP. We'll try to actually show different techniques to deploy it in the cloud as well. And along with the deployment procedure, we will also try to focus on different kind of connectivity, like connection with Mongo, connection with different kind of database, like how can you actually do it from Spring Boot easily and smoothly. I hope you will like this series. Feel free to like our videos and subscribe to the channel because we upload videos every week on different topic, so you can improve your skill on different things.